For today's phonics lesson, you will need worksheet 131. Please be sure that your name is at the top. Let's start by writing the letter or letters that make the sound that I say. Number 1, ch. Number 2, oo. Number 3, ha. Number 4, j. Number 5, s. Number 6, ah. Number 7, Number 8, or. Number 9, I. Number 10, qua. Now let's begin today's lesson. We've talked so much this year that I think I want to stop and review what we've learned. When we do this, you'll see how much more you know now about reading than you did at the beginning of the year. Let's talk by reviewing all the consonant digraphs. First of all, what's a digraph? Good job. There are two letters that come together to make one sound. What are the two kinds of digraphs? Good job. There's a vowel digraph and a consonant digraph. What is a consonant digraph? Good job. There are two consonants that come together to make one sound. A digraph is made up of consonants. Let's list the ones that we know on the board. Can you see a consonant digraph? Now let's see if you can name their key words. What is the key word for digraph CK? What is the key word for the digraph TH? What is the key word for digraph NG? What is the key word for digraph SH? Sh. What is the key word for digraph CH? Ch. What is the digraph word for PH? What is the key word for digraph NG? What is the digraph word or the key word for digraph KN? And what is the key word for digraph WR? CK is duck, NG is ring, TH is thimble, that is unvoiced, and feather, that is voiced. Digraph SH is shark, digraph CH is cheese, digraph PH is phone, digraph NG is gnat, digraph NKN is knot, and digraph WR is wreath. Which of these words, or digraphs, which of these digraphs are regular spellings for them? That means they are spelled like they sound. Good job. CK is one of those. TH is also one of those. NG is one. SH will always make that sound. And CH. How do we code digraphs? Good job, we underline them. When do we spell, if we look at CK, when do we spell the K sound with CK? When it's in the final position after a short vowel. Let's look at CH. When do we use CH to spell the ch sound? In the initial or medial position. In final position after anything that's not a short vowel. Let's look at GN, KN, and WR. Do you remember what we call these consonant digraphs? Good job, they're ghost letter digraphs. Please go back to your paper and we are going to practice spelling some words using our digraphs. Number 11, black. Number 12, those. Number 13, think. Number 14, show. Number 15, much. Number 16, bring. Number 17, phone. Now code the rest of the words on your paper and be sure to draw a line from the word to the correct picture. On the back, please be sure that you read the paragraphs before answering the questions.